Today we're going to be covering how to create a fee template and use that fee template in an initial fees worksheet inside of Zenly. Let's go ahead and get the housekeeping and the legal disclaimer up here. I'll give you a moment to read that before we proceed on with the presentation. Today we're going to create a fee template inside of Zenly, and we're going to apply that fee template in our initial fees worksheet. And we're going to show you the fee details and summary that you can print out from inside of Zenly. So let's go ahead and open up our Zenly program and get started. I've logged into Zenly here. The first place that we're going to go is up at the top menu bar over to Templates. On the left side, we have more options now. The fee template is the top option, so that is already selected for us. You can see there's already a standard fee template here for you. If you open that, it already has some fees in here for you, so if you want, you can use this as a starting place. I'm going to go ahead and start a brand new one for us, so you can see how you could create a fee template from scratch. I'm going to go over to the Add button on the right. And up at the top, you see Template Name. This is where you would need to name your template. I'm going to name mine Conventional. You can see below, each of the fee sections are separated out with the bold orange, and you're able to add fees into each section. You go across from the fee name, and you'll have that gray Add button. When you click that, a new screen is going to come up for you. The fee name in the top right has a drop-down list of all of the available fees that you have. So you can go through and select the fee that you want to put in your template. So I'm going to go through and put a loan origination fee. You can also select the paid to in the drop-down. I'm going to say this is paid to the lender. And below that, you'll see the paid by chart. You have two options. You can put the fee percentage in here, or you can put the dollar amount. You do not want to put both in this, or it will not calculate properly. I'm going to put that the fee is paid by the borrower and that the fee is $1,000. You can see it calculates into that gray section off to the right. And you have the option to mark paid before closing. You would type in the amount over there. You also have the ability to check the PFC, FHA, or FIN checkboxes. At the bottom, you have Save and New. If you wanted to create another fee in this area, you would click on that. If you want to close and go on to another section, you would do Save and Close. So you can see that fee now is inside of my first section, Origination Charges. You would go through the same process through all of the different sections that you want to default fees into. Once you've completed your template, go up to the top and click on that Save. And then we'll go into an actual loan file. I'm going to click back over into Loans and start a blank new loan. So I'm going to click the New Loan button. Inside of a file now, we're going to go to the Application tab and then forward down to the Initial Fee Worksheet. You'll see up at the top right area there is a fee template with a Select button. This is where we can select a template that we just made in that template area. So let me click on the Select and it will show me a list of all of the options that I have. I'm going to highlight our conventional that we just made and click OK. You can see this has populated our $1,000 origination fee. It would have populated any of the other fees if we had put those in the template. Once you have your fee template entered into your initial fee worksheet, you can also add other fees, by clicking the Add button across from the type of charge, and it will give you that same screen that we had in the template, and you can add other fees. This will be added just to this loan file, not to the template. When you're done, make sure you click the Save button at the top right. And now we can go over and preview our fees detail and summary. To do that, we need to go to our Documents tab at the top. And over on the left menu, we're going to go to Generate. Underneath our document selection list, we have a Filtered by dropdown. You're going to pick the application, and this is going to give you all of the application documents below. You can see in this list we have the fee details and summary. So I'm going to click on that, and it puts it over on the right under our selected documents. I'm going to go ahead and preview this so we can see the format. You see over on that right there is a preview icon. It is a white piece of paper. If I click this, it's going to load our print preview. And you can see our fees detail and summary breakdown. If you have any questions, please reach out to our dedicated support at 1-800-342-2599.